everyone, welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Crimson Desert not launching or running and it just keeps crashing. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to find out how to fix this, make sure you watch the video up until the end, but anyways, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is make your way over to Steam. From Steam, just look for Crimson Desert. Once you find it, right click on it, make sure you're under Library, right click on Crimson Desert, hit Manage, and then go over to Properties. From Properties, go over to Installed Files, and then from Installed Files, select Verify this game's files are installed correctly, and hit Verify integrity of game files. Once that's done verifying, you can try to launch and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar and typing in Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is open, from here, make your way over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go over to Search Automatically for Drivers. Once that's done updating again, you can restart your PC and try to see if that fixes. The third method you guys can do is, again, just restart your PC. And then the fourth method you guys can try doing is by updating your drivers from the NVIDIA app or the AMD app instead. Once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.